The world stands on the precipice of potential conflict. As tensions escalate and the specter of war looms ominously on the horizon. The catalyst of this unease? The isolated nation of North Korea and its unpredictable leader, Jong-un. We'll rewind a few years back to the fourth quarter of 2022, when the risk of nuclear war became a daily concern for world leaders. North Korea flexed its military muscles, launching a barrage of missiles, one of which had the potential to reach the mainland of the United States. The United States and South Korea quickly condemned these launches, extending joint Air Force exercises over the Korean peninsula. As the situation escalated, the threat of nuclear conflict became more normalized. Global leaders, once careful to avoid even the suggestion of nuclear warfare, began to openly discuss the possibility. The United States reiterated its commitment to defending South Korea, emphasizing that its deterrence included nuclear, conventional, and missile defense capabilities. Fast forward to the dawn of 2024, and North Korea's leader, Jong-un, is preparing for a war that he claims can break out at any time. He has announced plans to launch more spy satellites and develop additional weapons, including nuclear missiles. This announcement has only served to heighten the already palpable tension between North Korea and the rest of the world. But what do these developments mean for the global community? The consequences of crossing the nuclear threshold would be dire and unpredictable. North Korea's potential seventh nuclear test looms, and the United States and South Korea have yet to signal any policy changes towards the isolated nation. Yet despite the escalating tensions, the United States holds firm in its belief that its approach towards North Korea is working. The country, they argue, is deterred from attacking South Korea or employing a nuclear device. But the question remains, at what point does deterrence fail? When does the escalating tension reach its breaking point? In summary, the world finds itself in a precarious situation. North Korea continues to flex its military might with no sign of slowing down. The United States and South Korea, meanwhile, remain committed to their current approach, hoping to deter North Korea from further aggression. As we move further into 2024, the world watches, waits, and hopes for a peaceful resolution. However, one thing remains clear. Any nuclear attack against the United States or its allies is deemed unacceptable. The world stands on the precipice, watching North Korea's every move, waiting for the next chapter in this escalating narrative of tension and potential conflict.